Hello, my name is Mark Irving and I'd like to tell you why ProjectDSM software is different to other project management software. A lot of project management software out there has difficulties dealing with some styles of projects, and those projects are those which are involving product innovation, projects which are very clear on what they're trying to achieve, but there's still a lot of uncertainty on how they might go about those activities, and projects where we have lots of chicken and the egg type problems. And they're the sort of problems where you don't know how to design X until you understand what the previous steps might be, and those previous steps also need to know about what you're doing in order to achieve their outcomes. And that's often the case where we're trying to compromise business and technical objectives and design projects where the design of one component might influence many other components. And to give you an example, if you're designing a car and you're worrying about the performance of the engine, the fuel economy and the cost, then the weight of the engine versus the weight of the chassis versus the size of the petrol tank, all those are interrelated design decisions. And so that project has a lot of these complex interactions between the tasks. Our software differs from other project management software because we collect all those different information flows between activities, and that enables us to discover where there are cycles of interdependency and how can we best optimise those project sequences to achieve an optimal outcome which will minimise rework or minimise the cost of that rework or minimise the amount of time which might be connected with that rework. There's no magic to what our software does. What it's really about is us giving you the tools to focus your management attention on the critical elements of the project. And that might be just by more management oversight. It might be by co-locating team workers to make sure you have that information flow to enable people to work together more effectively. Or it might be about identifying critical dependencies within that project plan which you could replace with some form of innovative solution, breaking one of those cycles of interdependencies.